on? We are outside and we're doing a little barbecuing today with two of the great doctors of cooking. Dr. Richard Collins, our cooking cardiologist, back with us. And today you've asked for the help of one of your fellow doctors.
Exactly right. This is our secret ingredient, Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper.
And Dr. Collins.
Dr. Collins and Dr. Pepper. So what is Dr. Pepper going to do that some other ingredients might not do?
You know, you would feel like, is this not too healthy? We're going to use the properties of this. And what it is the caramelization of it.
Sure.
Yes, there's some sugar in there, some caffeine, which is okay for your heart. It's all right. But what we're going to do is use this as a base. And that's going to increase the caramelization and the sweetness. Plus, we can cut down the amount of brown sugar.
All right, well, let's take a look at it. You got all your ingredients out here.
Right here.
What goes into the mix?
Well, the first thing what we do is we have some olive oil in here, and I already sauteed down some onions.
Chopped onions.
So now we have a cup of reduced salt ketchup.
Right.
Okay, so we'll throw that in.
The reduced salt being important because there's a lot of salt and sugar that hides in ketchup, right?
Exactly, and especially in barbecue sauce. We have 3 tablespoons of tomato paste.
Okay.
Okay. Here's the secret ingredient, 12 ounces of Dr. Pepper.
1 12-ounce can of Dr. Pepper going in.
All right.
Now, you're cooking this at a regular, like a medium heat?
Yeah, we're going to simmer this. We have a little bit of cider vinegar.
Cider vinegar goes in as well.
Half a cup of brown sugar.
So there is some brown sugar, but
Yes.
you cut down on how much you'd normally need to get that
Exactly.
flavor.
We have a little Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire sauce.
Okay, put that in here.
You got some spices as well.
All right, here comes the chipotle.
That's
2
about
teaspoons.
2 teaspoons there.
And a little yellow mustard.
Mustard powder.
That's all you do. Simmer it for about 30 minutes to thicken it up.
Now, I do see that garlic there. What is the garlic part of it?
What we did here is interesting. When we started, we took the olive oil and infused it with garlic and took the cloves out. You don't want too much garlic.
Okay. Now, I notice over here you have some raspberries as well. That's a separate dish, right?
If you would like to not use the Dr. Pepper, you can use cranberry raspberry, and instead of the powder, you use chipotle peppers.
Okay.
And 3 cups of fresh raspberries.
How long does it cook? Because it thickens.
It does. This is about 30 minutes.
So about 30 minutes on medium heat, and it'll thicken up, and you have that. And then, of course, that is heading on to the chicken.
Here's the trick on this, and here's what happens. This is where you get caught in a problem.
Uh-oh.
Here it is. You put the raw chicken on, you put the barbecue sauce on, the chicken on the inside isn't done, but on the outside it's a charred mess.
You got that caramelization you're looking for.
Right. So what you want to do is pre-cook the chicken, bring it up to about 120.
So you're baking that.
And then you're going to baste it with your barbecue sauce and then put it on the grill.
So you bake the chicken lightly, and then you baste it, and then you grill it.
Actually, on the grill, I use that flat plate.
Right.
You remember that?
That's
and then
iron plate.
And then I take it off of there and then get those nice grill marks, and that's what you end up with.
That looks really good. As always, the recipe will be on our website, The Cooking Cardiologist, with a little help from Dr. Pepper this morning in making some barbecue chicken. Thanks a lot, Doc.
My pleasure.
Inside to you guys. We'll get to taste this in a minute.
All right, that looks great. Thanks, Tom.
He's a pepper, you're a pepper, she's a pepper. Looks good.
Don't
Hey, I want
you
to say
wanna be a
again,
pepper too?
pepper too. We have the best